kilometers. These waters are known to be one of the richest marine resources in the world and one of the most beautiful. Its waters offer an array of occupants, ranging from the most common to the rare. Cognizant of the many challenges and opportunities facing an archipelagic country, the Board of Regents of the University of the Philippines approved on March 28, 1974, the Charter of the Marine Sciences Center, a multidisciplinary research unit that was to serve the university at large. A newly recruited Filipino PhD graduate of the Scripps Institution of Oceanography of the University of California, San Diego, Dr. Edgardo Gomez, was appointed as the first director with the charge of initiating the establishment of the center. With the reorganization of many colleges and units of the university in 1985, the center was later transformed into the Marine Science Institute and became a postgraduate degree-granting unit of the College of Science. The Institute's main objectives are to generate basic information necessary for optimal and sustained utilization, management and conservation of the marine environment and its resources, to provide graduate-level training and extension services to develop manpower requirements in the marine sciences, and to develop appropriate and environmentally sound technologies for industrial and economic development in the marine ecosystem. About the time of the reorganization of the College of Arts and Sciences of UP Diliman in the early 1980s, the Institute began acquiring its permanent infrastructure. Dr. Gomez, its founding director, was looking for a site to put up a marine station within the main island of Luzon. With the help of then Executive Secretary Jacobo Clave and Mayor Miguel de Verio, and after consideration of several sites in Bolinao, Pangasinan, the 5-hectare property in Iguanan was chosen by the Advisory Council of the Marine Sciences Center. The Bolinao Marine Laboratory, or BML, began with construction of a modest laboratory building in 1984. The subsequent construction and completion of the 9 buildings now existing commenced when funds were obtained from the Department of Budget as a counterpart to a UNDP Institutional Development Grant. BML is located in an area accessible to numerous research and academic institutions in northern Luzon. The research programs at BML are clustered around 6 major themes. Researchers on seaweeds and invertebrates have focused on understanding their biology, ecology, and the development of cultural technologies. Work on restoration ecology considers how degraded habitats may be restored and rehabilitated, including the restocking and enhancement of depleted organisms in these habitats. Environmental monitoring in Bolinao is done to help ensure that mariculture, especially of milkfish or bangus, is sustainable. MSI researchers are also engaged in studying harmful algal blooms, more commonly known as red tide, in Bolinao and adjacent areas. The oceanographers at MSI study the physical, chemical, and geological processes in Bolinao, such as sedimentation, submarine groundwater discharge, and hydrography of coastal waters. Aside from contributions to science, BML is a venue for various high-quality and science-based short-term training courses for students, resource managers, local and foreign researchers, local government units, fisherfolk, and private companies. These activities are undertaken as part of the capability building and knowledge dissemination efforts of different research projects. These initiatives have benefited a wide range of clientele from all over the country and the region. In the past 2 decades, BML has become the focal point for pioneering multidisciplinary extension and development work on coastal resources management, which involves coastal municipalities and communities. The training courses and workshops are enhanced by results of scientific studies and field demonstration and learning sites in Bolinao and adjacent municipalities. These field sites include the Giant Clam Ocean Nursery, Sea Cucumber Sea Ranching, Seagrass Reserve, and the Marine Protected Area Network. In addition, one of the more innovative initiatives to address fish kills and harmful algal blooms was the introduction and adoption by local government units of a Marine Emergency Response System, or MRSIS. These pilot areas and systems are pioneering models for adaptive management interventions for marine biodiversity conservation, rebuilding of depleted marine populations, coral reef restoration, environmental monitoring, and sustainable mariculture. Information dissemination and technology transfer are also facilitated through various types of publications such as scientific articles, books, training manuals, IEC materials, and policy advisories. The BML main laboratory and outdoor hatchery facility serve as an educational exhibit center for research activities on marine science. In 2009, over 4,000 students from various schools visited BML as part of their educational field trips. Aside from our graduate students, local state colleges and universities and foreign universities have sent students to BML for research apprenticeships. In recognition of its significant contributions in science and development, the UP-MSI won the prestigious Colossus Gulbenkian International Prize 2008. The BML research and extension activities contributed significantly in this achievement. The 5-hectare BML facility includes a 3-story main laboratory building, a scuba equipment building, an extensive outdoor hatchery, an experimental area with flow-through seawater and aeration system. The administration building houses the offices, a cafeteria with kitchen, and an auditorium. Lodging is also available at BML. The facility has 2 dormitories, each building able to accommodate up to 40 persons. Housing for senior staff and researchers is provided through a single detached housing unit and 3 duplex units with basic